White Medience began to help people lead young and happy lives. As a manufacturer, our identity centers around technology, quality, and customization. White Medience, based in Cheongju and Seoul, is operating in 30 countries worldwide with local registrations on top of CE, GMP, and ISO. To lead the fast-changing beauty trends around the world, we are one of the most active participants in global exhibitions. To share procedure trends, we are operating our very own academic exchange program called WMC. White Ever, developed based on feedbacks from numerous HCPs, is manufactured with the most favored PDO and PCL. And White Ever is constantly monitored by experts for strict quality control. Having passed our strict quality control, thread is assembled by our experienced production staffs. Thanks to our strict control, White Ever is evaluated as the best in the market for tensile strength and lifting results. With our principle that lifting threads must be sterilized under proper steps, White Medience conducts every single steps of manufacturing process, including sterilization. To minimize damage occurable during sterilization, PDO and PCL are sterilized under different temperature, and sterilization is verified through BI test. BI test is conducted for all White Ever products, and we are focused on providing the best quality. Sterilized products are dried and vacuum packaged. Drying and vacuum packaging are critical steps along with sterilization. As threads are sensitive to humidity, White Medience manufactures longer-lasting threads using our own impeccable drying technology. Our customized devices developed for swift processing, from drying to packaging, guarantee the best quality. After final inspection, products are stored in a perfect condition to be exported to the world. White Medience will persist until we help every people do more, feel better, live younger.